In this video, I will show you how to add a weather widget to your Wix website quickly and easily. The first thing that we need to do is open up Elfsight. This is the tool that we will be using to build the widget, and I've linked it in the description below. Go ahead and click on that link and it will take you straight over to this page. This link also ensures that everything connects properly when we embed it. From here, just enter your email into this box to sign up for free, and then on this next page, create your password. Just like that, we are signed up and ready to go. Now, from here, once we are signed up to Elfsight, we just want to come to the top of the page and go to this search widgets bar right here. Then the widget that we are going to search for is the weather widget. So we can type in weather and the weather widget is now going to appear. So we can click into this and now we have a few different templates that we can choose from. But keep in mind that each of these templates are completely customizable in terms of how they look and the layout and the colors and everything like this. So just choose the one that you think looks the best and keep in mind that we can customize this later, and then click continue with this template. Then from here, once we have selected our template, we have two different options on how we want to display the weather. We can either display this for a specific location like New York, and it's going to show New York for everybody. Or we can go to the visitor's location right here, and we can have this so that it picks up where the user is based, and it will show them their local weather forecast. So for example, we can go to specific location, and in here we can search for London. And just like this, we are now going to have the weather for London. We can go in and we can add a custom location name as well if you would like to. I don't really see the point in this, but for example, we could just type in like YouTube, for example. And as you can see, it's going to show the location name as YouTube. So that is there if you would like to use it. Next, we can go down to the settings, and in here we can change things like the language, the temperature unit, which I will need to change to Celsius as I'm in the UK, and 43 degrees for London is just crazy. So we can change the temperature unit, we can change the wind speed, the pressure unit, all of these different things. And then finally, we can come down to the style area right here, and we can choose the layout that we would like to use. So we can select this first of all. Then we can change the background if we would like to use color or the themed image. And the themed image is always going to go off the weather for that location. So London, it's dark right now and it's cloudy, which is why we have this background. But for example, if I go up here and I set this to New York, we can see that that is going to change to rainy because it's light rain in New York. So that's how the image is going to work right there. We can then choose the daily forecast background color here at the bottom. So for example, if I set that to yellow, that is going to change right there. We can also choose if we want these icons to be animated or not. We can choose if we want to display the temperature scale, whether we want an expanded forecast, and that is how we can create this widget. Now, to add this to our Wix website, we just want to click on this publish button. And Elfsight is then going to take us through to this page where we can now choose a plan. Now, the plan I recommend getting started with is this free plan right here, because this is going to allow us to add this to the website and get everything set up for completely free. And then with these paid plans, if you want access to more widgets or more website views later down the line, you can go ahead and upgrade to one of these. But for now, we can just select the free plan. And once that has been selected, we are now going to be given this piece of code that will allow us to add the weather widget to Wix. So from here, we just click on copy code, and then we can go over to the Wix editor. Inside of here, we just click on this plus icon to add elements. And then the element that we want to add, we go to embed code, and it's this one, embed HTML. So we can add this to the site. And then inside of this box right here, we just click in and paste in the code that we just copied. And then once we click on update, just like that, the weather widget is going to be added. So we of course need to expand this box to make sure that everything fits in and that this widget is completely visible. Just like that. Maybe we can expand it on the side a little bit. Awesome. So once we have this, we can now drag this around on the website and choose where we would like to add this. I will just add mine right here. And that is how we can add a weather widget to our Wix website.